For today, I have two stocks, one long, one short. ITC looks good to me. I like the up move. Some kind of a consolidation for a week or so. And a small short-term breakout has come in and looks like ITC can climb to levels closer to 360. Stop below 344. The stock that looks weak to me is one of the banking pack is Canara Bank. It's got tired in the upper regions, came down, tried to find some breather, could not, and is turned back down. Canara Bank can slide down to levels closer to 375. Stop above 412. So for today, one long, one short. Buy ITC and short Canara Bank. On the futures front, it's a very, very aggressive trade. Structure is positive, yet I would like to short Bank Nifty futures. Stop above 15,520. On the downside, levels would be 15,290. Actually, I'm trying to play a reaction. Structure positive, but shorted can slide on a bit.
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to short Aditya Birla Nuvo in the cash segment at 1,405 levels. Holding these short positions so initiated with the stop loss at 1,429, expecting to book profits at 1,388 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short on Bank of India in the cash segment at 288 levels. Holding these short positions with a stop loss at 291, expecting to book profits at 284 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to short Exide Industries July futures at 159 levels. Holding these short positions with a stop loss at 161.5, expecting to book profits at 155 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Delta Corp, even though we don't track the stock, but if I just look at the raw chart, 110 seems to be very much likely. So we expect that the stock can move up towards 110 and the stock can be placed at 88.
Shubham, what about your top two trading recommendations today?
The first pick from our side would be a buy on ACC. If you look at the overall cement index, that has been moving up for quite some time. So that's a custom index that we track. And with that, ACC has been a clear outperformer over the past. And we expect that this outperformance would continue. So we recommend buying on ACC for a target 1580 and a stop for the same can be placed at 1430. The second pick from our side is a sell on Allahabad Bank. If you look at the short-term movement, there was a sharp fall that we saw on Allahabad Bank, and recently there has been a pullback, and there has been some spinning top formation on the daily chart which suggests that the stock can again move lower. So the idea would be a sell on Allahabad Bank for a target 105 and a stop can be placed at 130.
I would go with a buy in a Dishman Pharma, stop loss of 140, target of 174. The second call is a buy in a Gujarat Soro, stop loss of 530, target 582. And for FNO traders, I would recommend a buy in a Bata July future, stop loss of 1296, target of 1375.
If it starts trading above 301.5, buy then with a stop at 294, look for targets of 315. Similarly, Yes Bank is also conditional buy above 564, buy then with a stop at 554 for a short-term target of 585. And Asian Paints has never had a closing above 596, 597. So buy above 597 with a stop at 588 for targets of 615.